Morning, good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing? Morning, morning, morning. What a day! What a gap! Huge gap, gap up. Well, not huge, but yeah. Well, it's big on the queue. Big on the queue. Okay, 492. Let's see how the queue is gonna react here. 492, 491. If we can see the queue holding the VWAP, I think we are gonna go higher to yesterday high. If rejects the VWAP, we can fill the gap below. Morning. I'm not trading Tesla. I wanna see like always, I don't like trading earnings. Like obviously the same day or a few days before. And for after earnings, I like to give it also 1-2 days so I can see really consolidating and giving me the real move, like the real support, real trend after earnings. Okay, looks like we're rejecting here. I like this rejection here on the Q. Let's take it. Oopsie. 80. Okay, so I'm gonna take it. My stop loss is gonna be a strong bounce above the VWAP. I think it's a little bit early for me. I don't like trading this early. Kind of like to wait until 10. But I'm liking this reaction here on the Q. Again, my stop loss is gonna be a hold of the VWAP. A strong hold above the VWAP. Oh, we have PMI at 945. Any other data coming up? Good date. Okay. 9:45. It's gonna be in 3 minutes. Okay. I'll try to get out of this trade before 9:45. So we have news at 10 also. Home sales at 10. Okay. So because I don't know if I'll be able to do my live streams next week because I'll be on vacation. I'll be here tomorrow. And even if I don't do the streams next week, I'll be posting my charts. I'll still be posting my charts and my watch list, my levels on my Discord. So no matter what, I'm always posting my levels on my Discord from Monday till Thursday. Okay, so we have data in 2 minutes. Morning. The Q is looking way stronger than SPY. SPY is far from the VWAP. It's a little bit more bearish than the Q. The Q is holding very, very good. Meta 560, pretty much yesterday's low is a very important level for Meta. Same thing with Microsoft. data in 1 minute. So don't follow me on this one. Looks like we're rejecting here, but it's not giving me any follow through. Okay, I like that more. Okay, way better. Keep going. Okay, look at SPY. SPY is definitely way weaker than the Q. SPY is about to fill the gap. The Q is still holding very good. Okay, I like that. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Gonna start logging some profits here. Yes, I'm gonna hold unless we break the VWAP. Do I love this? I don't know. It looks definitely, the Q definitely looking weak. Fighting too much here, but it's looking weak. Nvidia is looking weak. Apple too. Let's see if Nvidia can hold here. This is pretty much yesterday's close level. A little bit lower, but it's there. It's holding 140. 140, 141 are key levels for Nvidia. Okay, we have SPY here bouncing at support. And the Q is not moving lower. I don't like that it's fighting this much, but like I said before, if it's not breaking the VWAP, I'm holding. Okay, we're looking way better. Come on, keep going. Yes, yes. Okay, I'm selling one more there. This is why I love trading micros. I can lock profits on the way on the way down here. This is why I'm coming back for coming back on trading micros. Yes, I love trading minis. Very exciting. We can have huge wins, also huge losers, but I love, this is how I trade. Like, this is how I trade options, guy. I just buy a bunch and I just keep I take profits on the way when it gets closer to my PT or or where I see the stock going. So basically here I'm looking for the queue to try to fill the gap. I don't know if that's gonna happen because SPY is pretty much, well, it has a little bit more space here to fill the gap, but the queue is holding too much. Nvidia is fighting 140. Made it holding yesterday's low. Very, very good. It is a very important level for Meta. In fact, I think it's a very good risk to reward to play calls if Meta can hold pretty much above 560. And with earnings coming up, yeah, earnings is at the end of the month. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I do trade minis. I used to trade minis pretty much every day. Now I'm coming back to my roots because when I started trading futures, I was trading only micros. Intel faked me out yesterday, but I'm gonna buy again. In fact, I'm gonna start buying right now. I'm getting 23 and 25 for next year, January next year. So basically it's gonna be a lip play. I'm sorry, 25. I have 25 and 22. 24 is a good strike also. So just pick one. I think if Nvidia can hold 141, that's a good entry to play loans. I think also Intel month out contracts could be also a good move. Strong bounce here on SPY. If can break the VWAP, most likely we see a move higher. And remember, SPY has a gap here above also. Okay, I like that reaction there on the Q. I'm in puts. I'm short, not in puts. I'm short. The Q is really fighting here. Ooh, watching micro. If can break 228, we can have a boom boom play here. You guys have it. Also this one on my watch list. You know there what level that I'm looking for, and what's the possible trade there. Needs to break 228. Meta, it's tempting me here. This is a little bit risky because Meta it's been a pain in the ass the past few days, but I'm gonna go long on Meta. My stop loss is gonna be yesterday's low. I got the 570 for this week. Micro strategy looks like it wants to boom boom also. Waiting to see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. It looks like it's gonna stop me out, but we'll see. I can see Apple, Microsoft, Meta, and Nvidia changing to pretty bullish, and I got out there. Okay, little trade there. Hopefully this candle didn't fake me out. Okay, very strong move here on the Q. Same thing with SPY. If the Q holds a VWAP, if the Q can hold the VWAP, it's gonna be very bullish. It's not an indicator. Those are my levels. Anyone on micro strategy? Are you serious? Oh, what's going on? I like that reaction. Me like it. I like it a lot. But I still don't know if I want to trade this downside with Apple and Microsoft and Meta holding so good. But it looks very tempting, especially here on SPY. SPY looks like a bear flag. And SPY, it's been very more weak, like weaker than the Q, but I don't know. I don't trust this downside right now. Even though I do like a lot that reaction. Look at that. Look at that. You're out of micro? Why are you out? Nvidia, ugly rejection of the VWAP is looking weak. The Q is tempting me again. But I don't like this hold on Apple and Microsoft and Meta. Should I try this again? Yeah, it looks like I have my finger on the trigger. Like yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. It looks so good. I'm gonna wait. But I do like it. I like it a lot. This is so tempting. I'm not entering in another short here because, like I said, to play a short here, I want to see Apple, Microsoft, and Meta looking weak. So far, all three are holding very strongly above the VWAP. The only one that is having trouble going higher right now is Nvidia because it's under the VWAP, but it's holding 140. So I think 492 is the level to watch here. So we have these resistance here. So if we break it, use it as support, we're going to yesterday high. If not, we can have another move to morning low here. Ooh, I like that reaction on SPY. Nvidia reacting again. You can definitely see like how SPY is way weaker than the Q. I'm gonna go again with this short here. My stop loss, it's gonna be this high. I went with a smaller size than before. really want to see the Q filling this gap here, this little gap here till yesterday's close. And I think that can happen if Nvidia goes lower, which it keeps rejecting the VWAP. Okay, okay. Let's see if we have any continuation here. Video's looking weak. I needed to really lose 140. It's around 139.90, but we'll see. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're looking better. I'm gonna start logging some profits here. I just don't want to go red. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I need to see what's gonna happen here. We're looking like a bear flag. My stop loss is this high, this little high here. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Are we really gonna have a bear flag here? Bear flag breakout. Microsoft looking weak. Nvidia is still holding. It's not doing much. It's making lower lows and lower highs, but no continuation to the downside so far. Apple, let's see if it can hold the VWAP or not. If Apple cannot hold the VWAP, that's gonna hold me here in this possible bear flag. Ooh, Micron giving back the 228 level. Okay, so IWM, let's see. IWM very choppy, like everything else. A hold of 220 could be bullish. I think 220, 221 are the two levels to watch here on IWM. So far, very bullish, but I do like this 220 hold. eBay. Let's see, eBay. I don't know. 63 looks like a important level. Yeah, 63 and 67, strong resistance. But this stock don't really move much. So I don't know. It's not a stock that I would like to trade. Barely move. Ooh, Celsius filled the gap. It's holding 30.50. I got the 35 calls for January next year. Okay. SPY really trying to break the VWAP. Okay, we're looking way better. Nvidia is looking weak, Microsoft looking weak, Meta looking weak. Let's see if Apple is gonna lose the VWAP here. I really want to see this QQQ gap getting filled. Bum, bum, bum. I'm selling one more there. Very, very small position now. But just want to lock my profits. I literally don't care what happened here. You can chop around the entire day, doesn't matter to me. I just put a hard stop loss above this long wick here, and my PT is the gap fill, so not gonna do anything. Just gonna hold. Come on, Q, just give me the cap. Go lower. Technically, everything looks bearish on the Q. It's just not really moving. Okay, now maybe we have a bigger move here because Nvidia is losing it. I think we need Apple to move lower to lose the VWAP. What a slow morning. You have an issue with patience? Who doesn't? Me too. No, I'm not adjusting my stop loss because I locked most of my profits and I can see how it's being super choppy. So I'm fine if these last runners go red. I'm okay with that. Or I just get out and enjoy my day because this is getting super choppy. I think at this point it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what happens. I know, I know. This is not something that I want to trade. It's Apple. Apple is the one that is like holding very good and it's looking pretty bullish. What a mess. If SPY breaks the VWAP and really hold it, that's pretty bullish. Up to you if you want to enter Meta or not. I already said what's the level to watch out. I posted on my Discord pre-market what's my analysis on Meta, so up to you. That's your decision. I'm not here to tell you when to buy and when to sell. I'm only here, I only doing this stream for me, myself, and I said out loud what I'm thinking, and I post you guys what I'm thinking and what I like before the market opens. So you do whatever you want to do with that info. Microsoft is holding very good at yesterday's low. That could be another good entry to play loans. I do think that the market is refusing so much to go lower that I think it's bullish. But I don't know, it's super choppy. Very, very choppy. Especially the Q, because the Q is in the middle of nowhere. It's too far from a big resistance, which is 494, and it's too far also from a strong support. I want to see a reaction here. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Or is gonna happen. 492 brick wall so far. By the way, did you guys check it out, the new My Funded Futures 25k funded account? It is very, very, very good. I think that is the best one straight to funded account if you are starting, if you want to start trading prop firms. It is extremely good. Is a 25k straight to funded account. Go check it out. I do think if we have the break of this little high here and it holds it, I think the Q is gonna boom boom. Another reaction. Are we gonna get another strong reaction here, or is it gonna break it? Oh, it's My Funded Futures. I don't know, it's like 100 something. It's very cheap for a funded account. Okay. I want to see a stronger reaction here. Okay. I don't know, I don't use stop step. How do you know if a account is good? You want to have a good drawdown to profit ratio. That's how you see. That's how you know if a 50k or the 150k or the 100k account is good. You want to have a good, pretty much a good risk to reward ratio buying those accounts. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna get a stop out. Let's see. I put a hard stop above this little high in case we see a huge move to the upside. It's looking pretty bullish so far, but who knows? I have 50k accounts on Tradeify. But also it depends. Like I'm okay trading small first and getting a big cushion, and then I can add more size. Some people like having a big cushion, like a lot of people like the 150k and the 250k because they like to trade with big size. I think I'm okay trading with just one mini or a few micros. Like these, like the first trade that I did, I had 10 micros on the 50k accounts and 20 on the 150k, which is pretty much one mini equal to one mini and two minis. On these trade that I have open, I bought half. I bought 5 micros on the 50k and 10 on the 150k. So I'm okay trading in smaller sizes, so I like the 50k accounts. I think pretty much everything depends how you trade. For evals, I like more the 50ks because you only need to make like 3k to pass them, which I think is very easy to make 3ks on an eval. But the 150k, you need to make 9k to pass that one. Microsoft looking pretty good for an upside move. I think I should get out of this one. Oh, Microsoft, Apple looking pretty bullish. Nvidia is not above the VWAP, which is not too bullish. Okay, whoa. Okay. 492 is a brick wall here on the queue. Yeah, Tradify payment is so quick, so easy. I love their dashboard because they have a few rules, but you can see it on the dashboard right away if you're how much you need to make to be able to apply for payment, if you have the 10 days trading days, or if you have the $100 days. Like, it's so easy to see what you need to do to be able to apply for payments. Something that the other prop firms don't have. I think right now Tradify is my favorite prop firm. Oh yeah, and they changed the DCA rule. Yeah. I honestly have no problem with the DCA rule, as long as they let me. The thing is, like, they don't like the prop firms don't like having allowing you to DCA, because a lot of people have a red. Let's just say you have a 150k account and you're red with 2 minis. You can add like 5 more minutes or 6 more minutes to your loser, and then just get out, break even, or maybe a little bit red or a little bit green. So that's not really good for your trading. So I think, but I do DCA a lot, but not on huge losers. I just like adding the more comfortable I feel with my trade. Okay, I like that move on SPY. Still looking bearish, but again, no continuation. Look at these 30-minute candles here. Look at these 30-minute candles here. Clear rejection of 492. And we still have a gap below. But this thing is not moving. Can you do something? I have a lunch meeting at 12:30. I need this thing to start moving. Come on. Can you just feel the gap already? One thing like we can see clearly here, even better with the Q, is how do we know it's choppy beside being like just a straight line pretty much? We can see how the VWAP is right in the middle. Like we have no trend on the VWAP. That's a clear sign that it's choppy. So basically the gaps are in every single time frame. You can see them on every single time frame as long as you turn off pre and aftermarket data. Okay, we're looking better. Give me more. Give me the gap. Ooh, that 30-minute candle on the Q is looking ugly. It's looking ugly. Remember to like the video. Beautiful, perfect bear flag on Nvidia. That was perfect. Why I'm looking at the 30-minute candles? Because that's how I trade. I like looking at the 30-minute candles. I think 30-minute candles says a lot about intraday move. You can kind of anticipate what's gonna happen next, especially when the market is on a trend. Obviously, right now there's no trend here today, but when you have a trend, the 30-minute candle says everything that you need to know to trade. Morning, Abdullah. Minute candle looking ugly. Let's see if we have... If it closes like that, it's definitely bearish. Ugly reaction. Ooh, that's awesome. That's awesome. I'm being very patient here and seeing if we're really gonna fill the gap. It can take the entire day for that. The Q can take the entire day to fill the gap. Who knows? I've seen it before. I've seen it like very choppy for hours, and then at the end of the day it fills the gap. I'm not gonna be here watching that. Okay, Apple is losing the VWAP. Let's see if it's really gonna move lower. That's definitely gonna help this trade. Come on, just do it. MBT? No, really. I don't think so, no. I need this thing to move lower. I have time till 11:30. If you cannot do that, if you cannot fill the gap at that time, I'm getting out no matter what. You got your first payout on My Fund the Futures? Yay! Congrats! My Fund the Future is awesome. I love it. I wish they would allow us to trade at least to 10 accounts. But I think it's because it's so good that people will be making so much money that they will get in trouble. But I love My Fund the Future. They have awesome rules and they pay extremely fast. I haven't used a treadmill for a while, like in 1 month. I don't know, I always forget about it. I need to put oil to use it, and I always forget to do that. But when I came back from vacation, I'll do it again. Yeah, I need to start doing that again. Come on, just move lower. Move. I'm leaving on the weekend, so I'll be out next week. Apple very weak, Nvidia weak, Meta trying to hold today's low, morning low, Microsoft not doing anything. Yep, they're direct to funded, My Funded Futures. They got a new 50k and 25k accounts direct straight to funded. I like more the 25k account straight to funded. Come on, reject here. I need you to reject here. That was an ugly 30-minute candle. Palantir, let's see what Palantir is doing. I don't know, too many wicks at the top and at the bottom on the daily on Palantir, so I don't know. Very choppy chart there. I think if you can go lower to 40 or 39.50 could be a good entry to swing trade calls. No, I think it's one time fee. If you guys go to the announcement channel on my Discord, you have the info there. You can see the entire info there for that account. Is looking pretty good. You have this beautiful picture. And you have the most important rules that you need to follow and to understand here. And yeah, you have 25% off with my code ADR. But yeah, go to my Discord on the announcement section and you have the info there. Oh, by the way, if I have time, I'll prepare for the levels class that I'm gonna do maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. But I promise you guys, I'm gonna do that class. Most likely it's gonna be tomorrow. We need to react here. We need to react here in this little support and reaction here level. But this is getting boring and annoying. What is Tesla doing? Let's see. 251. If Tesla can really break 251, most likely it's gonna boom boom. I would love to see Tesla filling the gap below, but that's a huge gap that made pre-market. SPY looking weak. The Q is doing nothing. Yeah, Tesla 251. It's looking pretty bullish. It's consolidating right at resistance. It looks like a flag. Okay, finally. Well, that's SPY. The Q is still not doing anything. But it's looking better. We're looking better. Come on, just break down. Go lower. No? Why not? Another bounce? Okay, guys, we have officially a channel here. It's very small channel. The VWAP is doing nothing. And we need to break to either side. Tesla is looking like he wants to go. This is getting boring. This is getting boring. Tech is holding too good for the Q to go lower. I love this consolidation of Microsoft, but I'm not looking to trade anything else. Like, this market is super boring. I'm done with this. I'm fed up with this market today. I also like a lot Tesla. You licking UPS? Ay, Dios mío. If this candle breaks this high, I'm getting out and I don't care what happens next. Basically, I'm watching this high here, like around this level here. If it really breaks that high, I'm getting out. Let's see what Crown Strike is doing. It's doing nothing. It's looking just like it's even worse than the Q. If can go lower to 300, 301, 299 could be a good entry to play loans also, but like I said, I'm done with this market. Sí, hablo español, soy venezolana. UPS, let's see UPS. Ooh, that was a perfect 136, 137 hold on UPS. That was perfect. That was the entry. That was the entry. Yep. Look at this, how perfect it was. Resistance, 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 boom. It got touched today. That was perfect. And that was also a perfect reaction of the gap fill. That was perfect also. Okay, let's see. Looks like I'm gonna get out of this one. It's trying to break that level. It's amazing how levels work. Look how perfect reaction here after filling the gap. Perfect bounce here at previous resistance. Now it's acting as support. That was perfection. Okay, I'm out. Bye. This is getting super annoying. Yes, I like your name. Time to practice. You have the info here. Guys, if you wanna be on the mentoring program, you have the info here. Yeah, I think the next trade's gonna be I will say a break of this high, or if we get the entire gap fill, playing a bounce there, going long after the gap gets filled. I think that's the next I think that's the next A plus setups. You have either the break of this high, or after filling the gap, playing the upside if can hold that gap. Bye. I don't know, it's very choppy. Crazy choppy. I like if it breaks yesterday high, but kind of far from there. I'm done for today, for this morning. Again, watch out if the Q can break this high, that's gonna be very bullish. Just be patient and wait for a strong break. You want to see a strong bullish candle breaking this high. I think if it breaks this high, it's gonna be like strong fast candle. And yeah, and then the next resistance is gonna be 494 for that. I honestly, even if I see rejecting this support here, I will not try to trade this, because we've seen how it's having so much trouble having any downside continuation. So if you guys see the Q going lower, I will wait for the entire gap getting filled and then seeing how it's gonna hold after filling the gap at yesterday's close. So that will be the two trades that I like. But yeah, it's just either wait the entire day for any of those possible trades to happen, or if you're green, just enjoy your day and be out of here. Be out of here. What indicators? Only the VWAP. No indicator is gonna make your trading, I will say, any difference. Just learn the basics, very good. Support, resistance, market structure, and reading candlesticks. That's all you need. That's all you need. Support and resistance, I do my own levels, my own support and resistance. What about it? Let me see how much I'm up today. So this is how much I'm up today. Small red day, but I'm fine because this, again, today's been super difficult. It's super choppy. So almost 6K. Can't complain, to be honest. Oh, 6K. That's only with Apex. I also took pretty much the same trade on my funded futures. Yep, took the same trade with my funded futures. 3 my funded futures account. Those are up like 250 on each or something like that. 229. 229 on each account. Little base hits, but pretty good for a day like today, right? Okay, so you guys know what I'm looking here. I'm not gonna trade anything else. Like, I'm done with this market, so done for today. Okay, 492 key level, gap fill. After the gap, you have yesterday's close level. That's a level to watch, to see. I do want to see the Q fill in the gap, but who knows? Look at this. We keep rejecting exactly the same level here, exactly the same resistance, but so far the market's doing nothing. So I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Remember to like the videos. Okay, bye.